If you want your videos to rank top on YouTube and thereby gaining visibility on the platform, then you have to do your keyword or SEO research properly. Now, and a very vital component of your keywords research on YouTube are your tags. Now, in this video, I'm showing you two AI platforms that will help you do your tags or keywords research very easily. And the best part is it's free of charge. Let's check them out. So the first one is this website called subscriber.ai. I'll leave the links in the description. What you need to do is to paste the title of your video. Now you can, when you have your channel, your YouTube channel, it's optional. You can put your channel handle, but most times I don't usually do that. So, and then you click generate tags. Next up, you come to where you have your tag section on your YouTube studio. Right after you must have uploaded your video, and then you Ctrl V to paste your tag. So the second platform is none other than ChatGPT. Right, so I'm going to input the prompt, right? So this is the prompt. I said I just uploaded a video on my YouTube channel showing people how to make their videos on YouTube rank #1. All right, using only free tools. Give me low competition and high ranking tags for this video. All I need to do is to copy this prompt, and I'm going to take it to ChatGPT, and I'm going to hit enter. So let's see what it's going to come up with. Let it just do its thing. So as you can see, it grouped them into different segments, right? And it gave us the output in bullet form, but I want it to be in an easy copy to paste format, right? So what I will just do is that I'm going to tell it to give me the prompt, give me the output in an easy copy and paste format. Let me zoom in. Separated by commas. Yeah, good. So as you can see, it has given us our keywords, right? So these are keywords. So all I need to do is just to right here, I'm going to click copy. So I'll come back to where I have my tag session, and then I Ctrl V to paste it. Right, so I'm sure you had a ton of value from this video. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. See you in my next video.